Hmm, what's this fancy thing? Smartwatch. Okay. Eh, let's see how smart this is. Made in China. 3.690 milliamp hours, 5-volt 1 amp. Email desertcat@aliyun.com. This device must accept any interference received, including interference that may cause undesired operation. Sounds like it doesn't need consent to do anything. Ah, look, it's an English user manual. And this is the smartwatch. It's almost Apple Watchy. Look at that. Please charge before use. Hey, that's the charger. That's the 2 battery ports on it. You hear this? Hey, it even looks like it for an Apple Watch. So that's the charging case. Oh, my wife's gonna love this thing. Gonna laugh. And oh, these are regular pins. Ugh. Oh well. I don't remember how I usually do my watch. The Apple Watch is a strap. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I think I got it. Hey, get in there. Oh, I missed. Come on, find the hole. Oh, wait, this one has a little tab thingy on it. Oh, they both have tab thingies. Hmm. So this just might make my work a bit easier. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm doing it like a 20th century dumbbell. Hey, okay. So what we're gonna do is while this is charging, I don't have a long enough cord for this. Doink. And bottom. It said hello. Well, let's see what this does. I'm pretty sure push and hold turns it on. Well, what if I take it? Oh, it's on. No news. Look at that. No news. Hey, there's the bed. There's the calculator. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Settings. Personal information. No, thank you. Do not disturb. Display and brightness. Okay, so it's just having a fussy time focusing. Okay, smart island, pinch hand, lift the wrist, bright screen. Display says 8:01. Anyway, time to turn off the screen. We'll say 30 seconds. Okay, menu, call, media, vibration, password, restart, turn off. Hey, it's got Twitter, Facebook, alarm, activity. You know what? I'm going to come back to this later and see if this works comparatively to my Apple Watch. I might even connect both of them just to see. I'm going to scare the wife. Hey, babe, I got an Apple Watch. Like another one? Yeah, this watch is kind of finicky. April 24th. No, it is May 8th. So you know what? Let me see if I can fix the date on this. Time setting. Date. Oh, it's in 2024. Okay. Hey, time setting. Well, at least it is touchscreen. Oh, there we go. I can tell you it's not as elegant. Oh, just be easier to. English 3 to 8. It says English, but after that, nope. System requirements: iOS 9, support Bluetooth 4, Android 5. Okay. Turn on Bluetooth, open QR code, add device in the app, scan bind device. The actual icon shall govern. I govern you. App QR code, smart island, pinch hand, dial style. Frequently asked questions. Should Bluetooth stay on? Yes. This is like the old Palm Pilot. The watch stores about a week's of data. Optimal range 10 to 35 Celsius. Well, in Canada, we go a little bit below 10. Tonight it's 3 degrees with frost. Dry ventilated area away from direct sunlight. Stop charging if the device overheats or the battery swells. Keep battery above 20%. Well, that depends if it's in the mood. The watch, it works independently for basic, but features like notifications and data sync need a phone connection. It's IPX4, not suitable for submersion. Information, blah, 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 blah. Okay, well, that was just as useless as the Apple Watch. No, I'm trying to go back. Okay, we'll keep it at 20, so my work is just a little bit easier. Oh, why is that 2024? Junkett's already starting. Oh, I could have just do this. Oh, stupid. Not obvious. Time is not 8:08. It is 8:57. We'll say 58. If it's 24, then that means it's 20. There we go. Menu, style 1. Mm, doesn't tell me anything. Vibration, password, restart, turn off. Gender, height, weight. About language, QR code, notify, red dot reminder. So that's just like the Apple Watch. Doesn't tell me what the menu is. I want list mode. Can I get list mode? Oh, there's the power, info. Oh, there's our fancy menu. 90%. Not paired. Find a mobile phone. Please connect the app. Well, not now. I'll do that at home. This looks exactly like the iPhone Apple Watch. Find a mobile. Okay. Now, while you're charging. Okay, so this is day 1 of testing this. So this is my Apple Watch. That's my steps today. And that's my steps on the cheap Android watch. 13,265. Now, if I go like this, I don't want to do it now. Well, there we go. It had a struggle there. Now it went to 13,278. Anyway, so there's about 600 step difference between the two. I'll take this off. Yes, I had to hold it upside down because the first proper day I did this was touching this and it killed the battery. But it says it's still 100%. Now, back to reviewing this. Okay, so we go here, we go through our apps. So some of it's very similar. You have activity record, you have alarm clock, it comes built-in WhatsApp, built-in weather. Secondary watch is actually just a stopwatch. Then there's the calendar. So that's what it looks like. And if you want to go to the next month, there's June, numbered. You can go up this way, go down this way. This one just free fall scrolling. This one stops you in the month. Yeah, and then you have your sleep, you have your music, but you'd have to connect it to Bluetooth. No, I did not connect it to my phone. And that's it. Oh, of course, it's going to play that song. And you got vibrations, but there's no way I can sort this alphabetically. Turn off language QR code. Scan the downloads and connect to the app. No thanks. Menu, I found out after a little dicking around. Style 1 brings you this. There's style 2. Then it's just not much to go in that way. Style 3, come on, is this one. Birdie Flight. Okay, Birdie Flight, it comes with its own Flappy Bird clone. This Apple Watch has none of that. This Apple Watch has none of that. No games for it, nothing. And yet you can play Flappy Bird. Aw. But no, it does not keep the score. I think I'm at 6. Wish this thing had a score so I can see how many I've gone through already. Mind you, I only played Flappy Bird a little bit when it first came out before it got taken out of the App Store. Hey, oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll stop there. Voice assistant. Find a mobile phone. Please connect the app. Not happening. Camera. Hello. Connect the Bluetooth. Restart. You can restart it. Setup. Time setting. Supposed to be 8:52. Oh, and I found out that you scroll up like this to get the number, which isn't so obvious. Okay. Now, while we're home, push and hold, you get all the different, hey, push and hold, you get all the different types of watch faces. I don't know if you can throw more on. I'd have to get the app. I'm not in the mood to do that. Contact person, unsatisfactory person. This comes with Twitter. No news. WhatsApp, nothing. QQ, nothing. WeChat, nothing. Facebook, no news. Basically all it really is. And that's pretty much it. Now for the activity. Now it being only 600 odd steps out and 2.2 kilometers out. Now it says I burnt 300 calories, 16 hours of standing, 37 minutes of exercise. I burnt 700. Now I don't know which one's really lying and which one's being honest. Now I'm sure if I activate this in the watch, I'm sure I'll have a lot more information, but I'm not going to. You got vibration, about, e-watch, MAC address, kernel, blah, blah, blah. You got telephone, contact person, unsatisfactory person. Dial, hey, look, 411. Call, please connect the Bluetooth, not happening. Recent call, no call record. Timer, so this one is a timer that you can customize how many seconds. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. No noise, no volume. Not even a volume thing here. Nope. No volume. Language switch, English, Espanol, Francais, and like 50 other languages. No, oh, we got Filipino. I give this to my wife. Telefono, musica. Oh, stop watching. Calculator and Twitter are the same. WeChat's the same. Facebook's the same. Okay. I wonder how I get back into there. Okay, here we go. English. There we go. Okay. So between the two, if you want something basic, get this watch. Otherwise, this thing is just a glorified version of this $20 watch, probably more accurate, and it's just as useless. You can read messages, you can see the calendar, the calculator, not many apps for it, other than maybe using it to pay for your food, and that's about it. So that's my review of the cheap watch and a 4-month review of using my Apple Watch, which is just as dumb. Thank you so much. Have a good night.